Look at this bunch of cocks with hens. This is a chicken farm, layers farm, and you can see they're in a cage system. So this white pipe is the water pipe, and for them to get water they peck here and water comes out, and then when they lay eggs, the eggs roll down to here, and so each box will lay the eggs. Food comes on here, same as here. Yeah, you can see these ones are not yet laying eggs because they are a bit young, but within a month they will start laying eggs. And here you can see the water system. So there are 3 cisterns. The first one, first row, second row, and third row. Water comes through this pipe, gets in, comes out of the bottom like that. Same on the other side. Yeah.